Here are some quick tips. Since we didn't have the space or a roof rack, we needed a paddleboard that was practical for fast and easy transport for quick setup and easy breakdown. We discovered this wide stable design inflatable stand-up paddleboard by ROC SUP company. We'll be sharing tips, setup, features, breakdown, and finding out if it's a practical paddleboard. It includes premium accessories available in multiple colors and design, and also available in different heights. This one stands at 10 feet by 6 inches thick at a stable width of 33 inches. Glenn will be demonstrating on safely getting on the paddleboard by using the convenient comfort grip handle on top and standing on the dual layer non-slip deck pad. While bracing the deck with your hand, step down on the deck pad with your foot, with 1 foot at a time. Then carefully keep your balance and stand. If you were wondering, SUP stands for stand-up paddleboarding. Now let's go over the quick setup. By using the dual action pump that's included, we're going to go over to the release pump air valve, press the tip of the hose into the valve and turn. Depending on your paddleboard model, the max inflation is 17.5 pounds and up. Conveniently, this pump includes a PSI gauge and it inflates in no time. Note, the max weight limit is 350 pounds. It's constructed of durable quad-core PVC material, includes these secure bungee tie-down cords so you can securely secure your fin, your water, your flip-flops, and your rock bag. Includes a comfortable safety coil leash that attaches to your ankle so you won't lose your board. This kit includes a dual and a single paddle to use as a paddle or a kayak. Both aluminum paddles are lightweight with an adjustable flip-lock adjustment. Includes the detachable main fin, which has a lock pin. Here I'll be showing you how to disengage by pressing here with your finger, the lock pin, and slide it out. You have the option to attach a kayak seat to use this as a kayak board. We found this to be practical for paddle touring, fishing, yoga, and just relaxing. Now let's look at a quick breakdown. Be sure to look at some of the beautiful scenery towards the end of this video. Last, you can roll the paddleboard right into the bag. The patch kit and life vest are not included. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.